Quicksand, quicksand, and more quicksand. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we are back in Azusa Canyon for some more mudding, more fun, desmadre, shit show, whatever you guys want to call it. Now, we were here last weekend. If you guys haven't watched that video, check it out because that was a lot of fun. Now, last weekend was kind of interesting because the park was not closed, but the highway was closed, so a lot of people actually didn't end up coming out. But the park had changed significantly to where we had quicksand everywhere, people were getting stuck in the mud, all this other stuff. It was a blast, it was a riot. Now, this weekend the highway's open again. We still have all this quicksand, all this mud, all this fun stuff. We got the big boys coming out. So today is about partying. That's it. We're gonna watch the big boys party. I brought Winters, so I might party a little bit today too, but that's all I got for now. We're gonna jump right into it. Driving into the canyon now. Let's get it, guys. Nice shirt, birthday boy. That's how we do it. All right, everybody's making it across the mud pit. I'm gonna try too. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right, here comes Andrew to save me. I got stuck. I almost made it. Look, this is hard. I would have made it, but no. We'll make it one way or another. Count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 car train. Ouch! you guys didn't get to see Slim today, but we got to recover him again. Let's fucking get it. All right, we're back in the staging area. As you see, we're all getting all set up. Everyone's getting aired up and back on trailers. Half the guys that came out today broke their freaking trucks, which is always a good time. You know, normal Azusa things. It was good seeing a lot of people that we haven't seen in a while. Saw a lot of the big trucks, a lot of the big party boys. They came out, had a good time, did all that stuff. But another fun weekend in Azusa. Now, we do have rain coming tomorrow. It's supposed to be a freaking monsoon this week. Well, just one day, but who knows? One day can change a lot of stuff. So will we be back next weekend? Maybe, maybe not. We'll have to see. But for this episode, we're all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Now remember, with the Azusa Canyon, if you guys want to come out, do all that stuff, go to recreation.gov. It's super duper easy to get a reservation, and you can get set up and everything like that. Now, what is this going on here? Are you YouTubing too, Mr. Ray?
Sir?
You're YouTubing?
Thank you for coming out.
Absolutely. All right, we're going to do each other's outro.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon.
Yeah.
Follow Ray on
Dirtnation.com.
SoCal Trail Trekkers on his Facebook group. You know, they be posting birthday shout outs and shit. It's cool.
Always.
It's all good stuff.
Got it.
Anyways, we're done here. We'll see you later. Let's get it.
Peace.